What's up, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic week so far. Now, today I'm back with some juicy Ripple and XRP news. If you've been keeping up with everything that's been going on, you will agree with me that Brad Garlinghouse, the Ripple CEO, has been in the limelight quite a bit lately. Brad has now been interviewed several times and has certainly been sharing some very interesting things. That includes the idea that no other company can boast of its transparency more than Ripple. Definitely, Ripple has been encouraging more companies to be more transparent while working in the industry. However, it seems like this has come to bite them in the back. So in this video, we will cover some of the stuff that Brad Garlinghouse said. Also, we will be looking into the technological aspects of XRP versus Bitcoin, among other cryptos that now use POW. In essence, there should be no comparing XRP to cryptos that use mining because, XRP is way ahead of their game. XRP is vastly superior as compared to Bitcoin and other cryptos from a technological point of view. As you can see, we definitely have plenty to talk about today, so without further ado, let's get right into today's video. As always, we welcome you back to MoneySide, your favorite crypto news channel. If you are new here, welcome to the XRP fam. Now back to today's topic. We can see a tweet that led to a video from @Coindesk. Brad Garlinghouse says, at #Consensus2021, Ripple has consistently tried to be very transparent, where the irony is our transparency in some ways gets used against us. You know what's funny? That this is not the first time something like this happened. Roughly 2.5 years ago, we can see a headline from the Daily Hodl that says, Ripple CEO and Ethereum co-founder clash over who controls XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. We will not delve so much into this article, but something I'd like to highlight here is the conversation that Brad and Joseph Lupin, the Ethereum co-founder, engage in regarding the decentralization at the World Economic Forums. In the back and forth, Brad Garlinghouse questions just how decentralized Bitcoin and Ethereum really are due to the mining pools. The majority of the miners that validate the Bitcoin transactions are based in China. On the other hand, Lupin questions whether XRP is too centralized, as Ripple owns 60% of the total XRP supply. As you all know, XRPs were created at inception. There are no mining and POW mechanisms with XRP. As much as Bitcoin might be here to stay, there are certain things about it we just can't ignore. And this is a message that Garlinghouse has been trying to pass over the last 2 years. Recently, he repeated it when Elon Musk shared the tweet saying Tesla would no longer be using Bitcoin for its vehicle purchases. Garlinghouse then took to his Twitter feed to share the following. Let's not overthink this. Few people have changed the world the way Elon Musk has. No doubt that Bitcoin is here to stay, but denying that there's a problem isn't a path to solving it. Whether it's through renewable architectural changes, let's keep moving on the solution. I couldn't agree more. Bitcoin is an energy hog, unlike XRP that barely uses any energy. Ripple's technology is facilitating fundamental world changes, and for that reason it's getting more recognition by the day. What Ripple is doing is audacious, and having money flowing through the planet the way Ripple is designed is absolutely genius. It's sad what's happening between Ripple and the SEC, as XRP is already making real-world changes with efficient cross-border payments. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. Guys, this right here is some good news for XRP. It's incredible to see people who can see the broader picture of what Ripple is trying to achieve here. Ripple has made it to CNBC's Disruptor 50, a list that recognized the top 50 private companies with a rapid pace of technological change and poised to erupt from the pandemic as the next generation of billion-dollar businesses. Ripple has been included in this year's CNBC Disruptor 50 companies for making waves in crypto regulation. The only crypto firm on the list, Ripple has been fighting a legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission since December last year. The regulator accuses the firm and its 2 topmost executives of selling unregistered securities. And while this case has dampened the market for XRP holders, CNBC sees it as an advancement of U.S. crypto regulations. The business news outlet, which is one of the world's most renowned, contends that Ripple is making waves in crypto regulation. Whatever the outcome of its lawsuit, it will impact the crypto industry in a major way, both in the US and globally. Crypto News Flash. In a recent interview with CNBC, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, claims that XRP has a zero inflation dynamic. as all existing tokens have been pre-mined. All of the XRP that has ever been created has already been created, so it's zero inflation dynamics. Garlinghouse says that Ripple owns a lot. Still, the XRP Ledger consensus algorithm prevents the creation of more tokens. This, therefore, sets XRP apart from the proof of work, the POW cryptos like Ethereum and Bitcoin that are still being mined. And whatever Garlinghouse is stating here is just facts. The fact that these coins are still being mined could have an inflator effect, unlike with XRP, where the coins are already created. Ripple has been putting up with a lot from the Bitcoin maximalists, but I feel like eventually it's becoming a reality that XRPs are way superior in terms of their tech perspective. Yes, guys, now it's time to look at the charts and see what's happening. In this daily chart, you will see that XRP is potentially to reach the end of the C wave from the ABC correction wave of Elliott wave. So if this is true, then we need a confirmation on higher low sequence before it's continuing to the recent uptrend. The good news is the probability for it has been increasing since we are close above the 0.618 Fibonacci, and it's starting to maintain ground above this level. By the way, we still need to be cautious because we still need a confirmation for the XRP bottom level. Now we are looking at the altcoin total market cap. I just finished studying 9 previous recoveries after a crash of the altcoin Total 2. Every single one had a retest of the 0.236 fib level. Most dug into this region by a third and up to a half. One bounced right off that level. Be aware that we may see a total altcoin market cap of between $808 billion and $710 billion. In the next little bit, this would dictate a healthy recovery pattern. Don't worry, guys, I'm so bullish. Have fun, and remember, trade safely. Please keep in mind, we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comment section below, and let's have a conversation. Thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to like this video and to click on that subscribe button below. Yeah, that's the one. Turn on notifications, that way you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.